Crazy piece blocks are a blast. They're totally easy and a fun way to use up your scraps. Start by cutting out your central shape. Here, we're cutting a triangle as our center, but any shape could work. Lay your shape right side up on a foundation. Next, lay your first strip right side down, aligning it with one edge of the central shape. Using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, stitch through all layers. Open the strip out and press. Add your next strip along the edge. Sew the second strip. And trim away the excess fabric, leaving a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Then press the strip open. Continue adding strips clockwise, trimming as needed. Keep it crazy, alternating sizes and shapes. Pick your desired final shape: diamond, triangle, square, whatever. Then cut to your desired shape. Playful and scrappy, this fun technique opens you up to all kinds of creative opportunities.